Kabiri.
One in Neary Bay. Kabiri?
Daddy and Lady Bear.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I look at the home.
Kabiri.
Sally, Bay. Kabiri.
Michelle here, but
Yes.
question.
Oh, yes, I had a question. I hear that people are saying Neary Bay and Needy Bay. What's the...
It's according to the region. You're right. You can say Neary Bay or Neary Bay. It's according to like if you're from Honduras, you're more likely to say Neary Bay. You know what I mean? But if you're from Belize, you would just glide Neary Bay.
Neary Bay, okay.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter as long as you're saying.
Yeah, and again, you'll start doing what your family does, and that's probably the best way to do it. Let's do how are you too in the same way. Say good afternoon, or we don't have good afternoon. Say good morning, how are you? Pass it in the same way we did it before. And then you ask, well, you have to answer first. She asked. So now you turn and ask, good morning, or say good morning, how are you?
Bugia. Bugia Bidafi. Anyway,
Mr. Blanc, you.
He's the clown of the family.
Magadetina.
Magadetina. The RE is one sound.
Magadetina.
Oh, Magadetina.
One word.
Buguya. Wikibinafi. Wikibinafi. Inabiangi. Uwadiyalu. No, you.
You ask her.
You have to ask her. You should answer her, how are you? Yeah.
how are you?
That's how are you?
Right.
And answer aloud, Allison, answer again.
Thanks.
Guguya, she's answering you back and asking how you, and you, how are you? So what would you say?
What do you get?
Yeah.
That's it.
No, don't ask the Buguya.
Yeah, you don't have to go back and forth, or we'll be stuck on you guys.
Yes, yes.
Circular.
That's learning. That's learning, yeah.
It is a lot.
Go ahead, Adu.
No, it's not enough right now, is it? Or
No, it's not, but that's what's on the sheet.
Yeah. Which Binafi? Igabiangi?
Don't worry about daylight. Magadetina. Agabuya?
Now notice she's improvising, she added "ine," which is also, I'm fine also.
I'm fine.
And so if you're talking to someone in your family, it's likely they're going to add a few more words. Just take note, whatever helps you learn. You know, write it down if that helps, or just practice saying it if that helps.
So just let me hear what also is.
Ginye. G-I-N-E. G-I-N-E.
And the N, like in Spanish.
Yeah.
The little tilde on top of it.
Also.
Okay.
I'm fine also. I'm fine too. With the Binafi, Isabiangi. Magadetina. Magaritina.
always struggle with this.
No problem, it'll come to you. Magaritina. Magaritina. Ah, vale. I'm good.
So another one, he has to throw it in, another way of saying it.
Oh, that's another. Yeah.
No, you answer.
Breathing.
Wiki? Well,
Good.
Kind of Americanized.
yeah.
I'm sorry. Magadiente?
Magaritina.
Magaditina.
Magaria.
Bugoya?
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 Alright.
You're not gonna get that.
I get so excited when I get to one thing.
Yeah, oil that machine.
Sure, I have to get the expert here. Let's see. Ida Bianchi? Ida Bianchi?
Magaditina. Bugan.
Bukan. Magadiente?
Magaritina.
It's almost just as it's spelled.
Okay.
Magadientina.
Magadientina. And then Bugoya?
Well, then you're asking.
Oh, I'm
again,
asking
and we're
again.
starting.
Oh, we're going in circle again. Okay. So I just end with the Magabaki.
Yeah, yeah. And notice that you even started doing it